If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Oh, he's in the shower? You telling me this man, this gifted man is in the shower? He is blessing the water. The water ain't blessing him. He's blessing the water. Check out CHANGMIN's Maniac promotion video. That shower look expensive. CHANGMIN's so good that he water bend the water. All right, let's go. Oh, what's this hand coming from? Oh, you good? Why that water look so clean? Not that I'm saying like it's actually darker than you think. Whoa, whoa. This is a very close up of a eye. Are you good? Did you? What happened to you? Oh, I love this intro already. Act 1, Black Widow. There's no captions, are there? Oh, that's unfortunate. I want to know. Whoa. I like the way it's filmed too. Oh, ew, bitch. Does he become Spider-Man? No. What's JREAMERS? Babe, what's JREAMERS? Do you know?
제발 means please.
JREAMERS, leave me alone. Oh. Look at the card. Itchcock. Now, if you guys don't, okay, that's really sus that they left out the H. Wait, if you guys don't know who Hitchcock is, I'm not trying to say that. He's a famous like is he a director? Is that what Hitchcock is? Basically, he made the movies Psycho, you know, Vertigo. Yeah, it does. I kind of like it. I like it. He has such a good voice. Oh my god. Oh, what happened? Ew. Oh. Oh, my demon's following me everywhere I go. Oh, I like this. This is so nice. Ah. And what his outfit too. What the? Who drives him crazy? Those aren't real tattoos, right? Like that chest tattoo? That'd be kind of crazy if it was. I'm not sure. Ooh. What is happening? Oh, snap. He's like, oh. I like the way his progression of the song. Dang, he ripped still, bro. I mean, he's only like 30 something. He should be ripped if you're taking care of yourself, and he does, definitely does. Takes care of himself. Hey, Han, thank you for subscribing. Yay, let's get it. If you're watching this on YouTube, you could have been here with us and enjoying CHANGMIN live, but it's okay. Go watch it. We're watching. Say hi to YouTube, y'all. Say hi. What's good, YouTube? How you doing? Anyways, let's go on. Ooh, that jump though. Wait, what is this green screen? Oh, that's such a it's kind of a dope shot. Oh, like the crow, the birds. Oh, this is all Hitchcock theme move like things. What's interesting? Wait, what is that? A shoe? Yeah, that is a shoe. Voodoo doll. It's quite an interesting concept. Hey, say K-pop multi fan, what's up? like the theatricalness about it too. Ending credit. Well, I like how it's like retro-y too. Did they? Did they say Alfred Hitchcock just to get away from copyright? There we go. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Okay. I love this. From what I can detect, Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, Alfred Hitchcock's North by Northwest. What is North by Northwest? A New York City advertising executive goes on a run after being mistaken for a government agent by a group of foreign spies and falls for a woman whose loyalties he begins to doubt. I can see that, yeah. Vertigo, yes. Rocky Horror Picture Show, including the reference of the song Time Warp. And maybe also Stanley Donen's Charade, American Psycho. Oh, was American Psycho in there? In some, let me see. Wait. Hold up. Was this? I think this scene's American Psycho. It's crazy. He just said crazy. That's kind of weird. Just like the whole concept is really dope. I would never think somebody would do Alfred Hitchcock, even though, you know. Oh man. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex